How to hype a YouTube video. So I'll show you how to hype someone's video on YouTube, and this is a new feature that allows new videos to gain traction on YouTube. Now to do this, we need to go and load up the YouTube app on your phone. Just bear in mind that this won't work on a computer, it needs to be a mobile. You could then go and select the video that you want to hype. So I'm just going to select this random one here. Once you have the video selected, come down to the comments. And then all you need to do is use your finger to swipe over on the right hand side, and you'll see this option here for hype this video. You can go and click on hype. Now when you click this, it will add points to this video on YouTube. So basically there's a leaderboard system, and the more points a video has, the higher it will show up in the leaderboard on the hype section. So if I just click on leaderboard, here you can see the most popular videos at the moment. Now if you don't see the hype option, another reason for this is the video needs to be posted within the last 7 days. So it's essentially a way to promote new and trending videos. So if the video is older than 7 days, you won't have the option to actually hype it.